Hi, I'm Lakey. Guangzhou Environmental Technology, founded in 2009, has been creating intelligent fluid equipment for 15 years. It is a scientific and technological enterprise integrating R&D, production, construction, and after-sales. Headquartered in Tian'an Digital City, Dongguan City, Guangdong Province, China, Wastewater has an office building with a total area of over 3,000 square meters. Intelligent manufacturing production base is located in Jinshan City, Hubei Province, China. It is a modern production-based integrated digital workshop, scientific research building, office building, expert building, dormitory building, and employee entertainment center covering an area of nearly 30,000 square meters. Wastewater has built an expert research center and a multifunctional Western exhibition hall with excellent industry talents. It shows the development course of Wastewater in the past 20 years. We always uphold the spirit of innovation and forge ahead, obtaining more than 100 honorary qualifications and becoming the leader in leading the development of the industry. Wastewater has a number of core technologies providing one-stop integrated solutions for wastewater treatment and recycling in industries such as surface treatment, electroplating wastewater, new energy water treatment, garbage wastewater, semiconductor wastewater, zero wastewater discharge, coal chemical wastewater, petrochemical wastewater, and PCB wastewater, but also provide OEM and ODM customized services. When we enter the factory, all kinds of cutting-edge precision machining equipment come into view. We have 9-axis Gentry automatic welding rubber system, rocker arm automatic welding rubber system, CNC machining center, automatic laser cutting equipment, and automatic rounding equipment, etc. and fully realize digitalization and automation to create new quality productivity with an annual design and production capacity of more than 500 units. Wastewater serves more than 2,000 customers at home and abroad, and we join hands with global partners to provide customers with high-quality full process solution services.